Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy kitchen accessory that can elevate your food prep game, the Cuisinart WBA-DLC7NT work bowl cover assembly. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Cuisinart WBA-DLC7NT is a work bowl cover assembly designed specifically for use with various Cuisinart food processors. It includes a durable Tritan cover and pusher, both made from BPA-free materials. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your food is safe from harmful chemicals while you whip up your favorite recipes. One of the standout features of this work bowl cover assembly is its BPA-free construction. Tritan is known for its durability and clarity, so not only does it look great, but it's also built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The cover fits snugly over your food processor bowl, keeping your ingredients secure and preventing any unwanted spills while you chop, slice, or puree. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a home cook who enjoys preparing meals efficiently, this work bowl cover is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone who owns a Cuisinart food processor and wants to enhance its functionality. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this cover provides an extra layer of convenience during food prep. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're making a large batch of salsa or guacamole. With the Cuisinart WBA-DLC7NT, you can safely cover your bowl while you prepare other ingredients, like chopping onions or cilantro. The pusher allows you to conveniently push down food into the blades without the risk of making a mess. This is especially useful when working with softer ingredients that might need a little extra help to get processed evenly. Another scenario is when you're preparing dough or mixing batters. The cover helps contain any flour dust or flying ingredients, ensuring that your kitchen stays clean. Plus, it keeps your mixture covered while it rests or rises, promoting better results. In conclusion, the Cuisinart WBA-DLC7NT work bowl cover assembly is an essential accessory for anyone who values efficiency and cleanliness in the kitchen. Its BPA-free construction, snug fit, and practical design make it an ideal companion for any Cuisinart food processor owner. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to